back to the Math Society. So this week we'll also be doing another ADSL topic, which is mean mode median. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for question number 1, it says that we have given this table with the number of brothers and the frequency, and we just need to calculate the mean number. So first of all, to know the total, we need to multiply them. So this is going to be 0, 2, 16, 12, and then 4. So we have the total frequency would be 4, 12, so that's 20. So to know the mean, we just have to add all these numbers and then divide it by 20. So mean equals to 2 plus 16 plus 12 plus 4 divided by 20, which you would have to get 1.7, and that is your mean. And moving on to question 2, it says that here's the information about the age in years of Delia's 5 children written in order. So, and then they give you that A is the age of the younger child, A is not equal to B. 2 of the children have the same age. The mean age of the 5 children is 10.6 years. So we know the mean, so we can work with the mean and then calculate the value of A and the value of B. So what we're gonna do is, because we have the mean, we can equal with the mean first. So when we do mean, it is A plus B by 2 plus A plus 2B plus A plus 3 plus 2B plus A plus 5. And that is divided by 5 children, so that's 5, and the mean age is 10.6. Okay, so we will try to calculate it. So when we simplify it, we have to get on 4A plus 5B plus B by 2 plus 8, and that's going to be equal to 53. So then we'll have 8A plus 10B plus B plus 16 equals to 106. So then we should have 8A plus 11B equals to 90. And then B by 2 plus A equals to 6. And then B plus 2A equals to B plus 2 is equal to 2B. So 2A will equal to 2B minus B, right? So that should be 2A equals to B. A will equals to B by 2. And then we can substitute it, which you would have 8B by 2 plus 11B. From here, 8 plus 11B equals to 90. So then you will have 4B plus 11B equals to 90. And that should be 15B equals to 90, where B will be equals to 6. And then we need to find A. So if B is equals to 6, then A has to be 6 by 2, which is equals to 3. So A has to be 3 and B has to be 6 here. Okay, so now moving on to question 3. It says that the mean of the 4 numbers is 3 times the median of the 4 numbers. And here it is already given that it is given in order of size. So we know that median is going to be 2 plus P by 2, right? And then it says the mean of the 4 numbers is 3 times the median of the 4 numbers. So mean is going to be 1.5 plus 2 plus P plus 19.5 divided by 4. That is the mean. So then you have 23 plus P by 4, which is your mean. And then we know that it's 3 times the median, so 2 plus P by 2 equals to 23 plus P by 4, which you will have 6 plus 3P by 2 equals to 23 plus P by 2, P by 4. And to make it equal, we multiply with 2, so you will have 12 plus 6P by 4 equals to 23 plus P by 4, which you will get 12 plus 6P equals to 23 plus P. So then it would be 5b equals to 23 minus 12, which is 11. So p is equals 5p is equal to 11. P will be equal to 11 by 5, which is 2.2. And this one has to be 2.2. Okay. And then we'll move on to question number 4. Number 4, it says that here are the 12 most recent best-selling scores of a cricketer. Find the median. So median is the one that we choose in the middle. So we have to rearrange all these numbers in order of size. So we'll start with the smallest one, which here is number 3. And then we have 6. And then we have 11. And then we have 18. And then we have 23. And then we have another 23. And then we have 26. And then we have 45. And then 256. And then 78 and 87. Okay, so now we want to know the median of all these numbers. So we're gonna count from left side and right side. So these one cancel out. These. And then you have the two numbers in the middle, which is 23 plus 26. So median is going to be 23 plus 26 divided by 2, which you will get 24.5. And that is your median. Okay. So now for number 6, it says that there are 30 students in the class, and all the students in the class take a test. Marks of the 12 girls in the class, the total will be 12. And where x is greater than 70. So this is in, I believe this is not in order, but x has to be here. The x has to be greater than 70, and you just have to find the median of the girls' marks. So we will have to reorder it because x is greater than 70. So we know that x is somewhere between after 70 and after 70 and probably less than 80. So we'll try to reorder it first, starting with 21 and then 24, and then we have 32, then 35, and then 42, and then 49, and then 56, 67, 69, and then we know that x should be somewhere here, and then it is 83, and then 98, and then we need to find the median. So to find the median, we'll do the same way, which is fill out. So we have 49 plus 56 in the middle. And we want to know the median, we just add them, divided by 2, which you will get 52.5 as median. And then it says that the mean mark of the 12 girls is 54.5, so we know the mean. So we can find the value of x. So mean is equals to all the number plus, so we will plus 21 plus 24 plus 32 plus 35 plus 42 plus 49 plus 56 plus 67 plus 69 plus x plus 83 plus 98 divided by 12. This is mean. So that one has to equals to 54.5. So 54.5 to the total would be 576 plus x divided by 12 is 54.5. So then it is 576 plus x equals to 54.5 multiplied 12, which you will get 654. And you want x, 654 minus 576, which you will get an answer of 78, and that is the score of x. And then it says the mean mark for the boys is 56, and calculate the mean mark for the 30 students in the class. So to calculate the 30 students in the class, so 56 is the mean mark, yeah. And then we don't know how much the total marks are, but we know the number of people. So there are 12 girls in total, but it says 30 students. So you can minus 30 minus 12, yeah? So you have 30 minus 12, where y will equals to, have a look, mean marks, so it will be equals to the total, which has to be 1008, where mean would be equals to 1008 plus 654 by 30, which is going to be equal to 55.4, and that should be your mean answer. And then we'll move on to number 6. So the age in your 7 friends, the mean age of the 7 friends is 8, yeah, works on the value of 8. So mean age is 8 here, so we just need to add all of them, which is 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 plus 7 divided by 7 friends, and that is 8, right? So then you will have 47 plus a divided by 7 equals to 8. So 47 plus a is equals to 56. A will equals to 9 when you minus them. And you need to find the median a, so we need to reorder them again. So a is 9. So we start from smallest, which is 6, 7, 7, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, and then 10. So we can just reorder, and 3 here, 3 this side, so median is going to equals to 8. Yep. And then it says that there are 34 passengers on a bus, mean age is 49. 11 of these passengers are pensioner, mean age of these pensioner is 72. Calculate the mean age in years of the passenger of the bus who are not pensioner. So for pensioners, we know that 11 of them are pensioners, so that's we know the total age, but we know the number, and we know that it's 72, so x is going to be 792. And then we know that there are 34 passengers on the bus, mean age is 49, so let's have a look. 792 plus y, because we don't know the answer, we don't know like how many of the other passengers total ages, so that's going to be y divided by 39, but we know that the mean is 49, so it will be 792 plus y equals to, when you multiply them, it's 1666, where y, if you 1666 minus 792, y will be left with 874. So we need to know in mean age year of the passenger who are not pensioner. We want to know the one that are not pensioner, yeah? So if it is not pensioners, mean has to be equals to 874 divided by, we have 34 in total, minus 11 who are pensioner. So 874 divided by 323. So you have 38, which is the mean. And then we will move on to number 7. It says here's a list of 4 numbers. Find the median. So we can say that this is not in order, so we will probably have to reorder it from the smallest, which is 2.1 multiplied 10 power 13, and then 3.2 multiply, we have to write it again, 3.2 multiply 10 power 14, 1.1 multiply 10 power 15, and 3.7 multiply 10 power 16. So median, the middle numbers, 2 middle numbers divided by 2, so that's 3.2 multiply 10 power 14 plus 1.1 multiply 10 power 15 divided by 2, which you will get 7.1 multiply 10 power 14, and that is your median. And then we'll move on to question number 8. So it says that here are the marks that Srinjoy scored in each of 7 tests. Write down the mode. So we know the mode is the most frequently number that appears. So here we can say that we see 25 twice, right? So mode is just 25. And then it says that after taking an 8 test, Sirius mean mark for all 8 tests is 22.5. Calculate the mark for the 8 tests. So we will have to add all of it, which is 21 plus 24 plus 25 plus 18 plus 28 plus 25 plus 20. And then because the last one we don't know, we're going to put it as x divided by mean marks, so divided by 8 because it's an 8 test, and 22.5. So then we can find x, which is 161 plus x divided by 8 is equals to 22.5. 161 plus x will equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 161, where you will get 19. So his 8 test marks is going to be 19 marks. Okay, so for number 9, it says that Sarah records the number of visits to the cinema that each of the 19 students in the class made in June. And the table shows the result, and it says A was to show the mode, so we know that mode is the highest frequency, and we can see that it is this, which is the number of visits is 0. So 0 number of visit is the one with mode. Yeah, and we will move on to B. Find the median number, so we just need to calculate the total. So we know that median number, we know 19 students, right? So it's just median has to be 19 by 2, and that should be 8.5. Let me have a look. Oh, sorry, 9.5. That is 9.5. So we need to know where 9.5 stands. So in here, frequency 6 and 4, when you plus them, is 10, so it's already there. So we know that it has to be in 1. So median is to be 1 number of visits, and that is the median. So it's inside there. And then here it says that Bosco joined Sarah's class, so the mean number of visitors cinema after Bosco joined the class for the 20 students in the June is 1.7. You just need to calculate the number of visits. So we need to find the mean first. So we need to multiply these first. 0, 4, 10, 9, 4. So you will have 14 plus, that's 18 plus 9. So that you will get 7. So that's 127. So here is mean 27. Total 27. So it's a 27 plus x, which we don't know how many she is. How many number of visits she did, so divided by 20. So now the total number of students is now 20, and that the mean is 1.7, right? So 27 plus x, multiply them, you get 34. X is equal to 34 minus 27, which is equal to 7, and that is your number of so that is your x. And then we move on to 10. So here are the numbers of items that the last 9 people who visited Shopbot. Find the median. So to find the median, we can just reorder it again. So from the smallest, 1, 2, 4, 6, 11, 13, 14, 20, 20. Yep, 14, 20, 20. And we can just find a median like this. And then we have a median of 11. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. And I'll probably see you in the next video as well.